Just finished cooking on this EcoZoom stove. I gotta say, it's a pretty cool stove. I really admire the design of it, the efficiency. I really like it. Here's what we have left: the wok pan, some oil, our cutting board. The meal was really good. It's gonna be up so you guys could take a look of how we prepared it, what it took. The only myths, if you will, about this is that they say it's cool to the touch when it's cooking. It's not cool. Even now that the flames are done, there's still a little bit of charcoal in there, but it's not cool to the touch. It's extremely hot right now, so I can't even touch it. If it's a low flame where there's just like 2 sticks in there, or maybe just a couple sticks inside and this little door's closed, that's not enough to really give enough heat to cook something. I had a pretty much full, maybe like 5 sticks in here, so that gave me a flame that you could see from the rim here, and that heated up the wok and gave enough fuel to finish cooking. When I thought I was done and I thought that it could just finish simmering, I put in a little block in here. I closed the door. That flame died out super fast, and that did not give me enough power to finish my meal. I had to reopen it, put in some more wood, and get some more power to finish cooking. So it's a myth that you have to only use 3 pieces. You have to use enough for whatever you're doing, especially if you're boiling water or whatnot. But otherwise, no complaints. It's really great, and I'm really happy with this product. So yeah, check out the other video of the meal that we prepared, and you'll have a better idea of what it took and how we did it.